Well, good evening. I'm prepping my ski for a solo ride on the St. Johns River through Jacksonville, hopefully out into the Atlantic tomorrow morning. And I got my first item that a company wants me to test out as a YouTuber. And when I started a conversation with them, they contacted me. I said, well, you can send me the item, I'll test it out, see how I like it, but I'm going to be honest in the video. So that's what you're going to get from this channel. I'm not particularly in it for any personal gain. I'm just in it for being a little bit creative and providing content to you subscribers and other viewers out there. And we're talking about straps from the ski to the trailer. And what I have been using is the cheapos. This is my second pair I've gone through in 2 years. I constantly have to lubricate the ratchet mechanism, and sometimes it won't stay tight. I have this extra that hangs there, always getting in the way. And when I want to extend it out to put it on the ski, it's a fight each time. I've even under hard braking and a couple near misses on the road, I've come back to find this just hanging off the ski because it came loose and got disconnected from the trailer.
So now let's look at the product that Strappino sent me.
So when they asked what product they wanted to send me, I said, hey, I'm a simple guy. I want a ratchet strap that goes from the ski to the trailer. I don't want to mount it on the trailer. I want to keep using the process I got going. Their claim to fame is it's retractable, so there's nothing ever hanging for the straps. Let's see. This is what they sent me. Toughest ratchet straps ever. 2.5 foot ratchet strap. So let's see what's in the box. Get ready to be strapped. All right. Instruction sheet. This looks like a bag to carry the straps in. And 2 straps. So well, that's a lot beefier right off the bat. A lot beefier. Got a metal clip to hold it, so that's nice. Beefy ratchet system, and I suppose if you open that up, yep, that extends out. And that's how easy it is. Nothing loose. Okay. Positive lock there. Open it up. This stretches out. That. Oh, I can get some torque on that. And there you go. So I think the pros are, this is a very professional ratchet that's not going to come loose even if under braking the ski shifts. And when you open it up, it just allows you to take it off so quick.
So I'm going to give these Strappino ratchet straps 2 thumbs up. I like the product. I think it's a big improvement for my setup on the road as we approach the ramp.
And now I'm gonna go gas up the ski because I got an early morning departure. This is the Black Creek public boat ramp. That's what I know it by. It has another name. I'll put it in the description. Getting an early start today. Gonna head up the St. Johns River north to the exit to the Atlantic Ocean, hopefully. We're at least gonna go through Jacksonville, Florida. I've never been through Jacksonville on the water, and that's the goal today. This is the last stretch of river I need to run to say I've completed the entire St. Johns River on my jet ski. So, as always, thanks for coming along today, and we'll see how this adventure goes. We're going solo today. Solo today, so radio in the glove compartment, personal locator beacon on me. Oh! Okay, leaving Black Creek and headed north to Jacksonville. Well, the conditions are a little choppier than I anticipated, but I think it's because the tide's coming in right now. So what's crazy to think about is that I've been pretty much on the headwaters of this river, the St. John's, and I've run aground in 6 inches of water, and now I'm in 18 feet of water and heading into Jacksonville. So full circle, really. It's crazy. It's a big river. It's one of the few in Florida that flows north. And there's Jacksonville.
And welcome to Jacksonville. I was pretty pleasantly surprised to find only a small no-wake zone between the first couple bridges right there in the inner harbor, and then it opened up to 25 miles an hour in the channel. During this trip, I saw dolphins surfacing about every 400 or 500 feet throughout the entire trip out to the ocean. Obviously it was early morning, it was probably their feeding time, but I was dodging them left and right all the way. It was great seeing them out there.
First cruise ship I've seen up close on the ski.
At first I thought this ship was docked over on the shore, but as I got closer it was obviously moving towards me, so it'd be my first container ship I passed. I didn't know what to expect on the back side of it, whether the wake would be 4 or 5 feet tall or what. And I was putting out more wake than this ship was. He was probably going 5 or 7 knots, and it was well maintained, and there was no wake at all. Again, my jet ski was putting out a bigger wake.
Well, that's bigger than me.
So now that I was vastly experienced in passing container ships, the second one didn't bother me a bit. He also was going slow and no wake. We were at about 50 feet of water. Obviously he's a little bit different than the first one I saw. Must be the containers are on the inside of this ship. If anybody knows, drop a comment. Now it was time to complete this river and enter the ocean.
Coming for me yet. Officially in the ocean now, all the way down to St. John.
There's something very exciting about being out in the ocean, but unfortunately every time I'm out there I'm solo, so I end up turning around before I go too far out. There is a lot of military activity in this area with the naval stations all around it, and these two ships I saw, the one in dry dock and then the one you're going to see coming up here, they all had security boats around their perimeter.
That's one of those stealth destroyers or a missile frigate. Cool. There's more dolphins in this river than I've ever seen. The one ship I saw coming down the canal, there were dolphins jumping out in front of it on its bow wake.
I looked this Carnival cruise ship up on the internet, and it's based out of Jacksonville and goes to the Bahamas a couple times a week. Carnival Elation. Looking back, the Jacksonville skyline reminded me a lot of Tampa, but much more exciting bridges here in Jacksonville. It was time to head back.
Well, it's smooth as glass out here now. I don't know what was causing that crazy water this morning, but I've completed the St. Johns River all the way from essentially its headwaters all the way to the Atlantic Ocean through Jacksonville this morning. There are more dolphins between Jacksonville and the ocean than I've ever seen in my life. I had to dodge them all the way out there. But anyway, thanks for coming along today and have a great day. Bye-bye. The ramp information and location is always in the video written description. Salt away.